It looks like the Informed Consumer Act's bullshit, the whole situation is back into effect because yesterday, a few people, me included, got the banner back on their account saying that their account was at risk of deactivation. So today we are going to talk a little bit about that, about why you should never trust what Amazon says because they can change their mind whenever they want, all right? So, but before we actually do, I am now offering one-on-one coaching. So if you want me to help you scale your Amazon business, if you want to pick my brain, if you want me to hold you by the hand to help you grow your Amazon business, it does not matter if you are a beginner or a little bit more advanced, link in the description, you can book a call with me. Also, we have a Discord server, link in the description, best place to meet other people selling on Amazon, best place to actually have some support when you deal with crisis situation just like this one. The Informed Consumer Act, however it's called, best place to network to meet other people because this is what's going to help you a lot and what's going to bring you to the top. So, as I said, yesterday a few people, I don't know how many people actually received the message again, the banner again, but I had, and I know a few people that I talked to had it as well. And so what happened is that I opened my Amazon Seller app on my phone and I had a pop-up saying that my account was at risk of deactivation. At first, I thought that it was, regarding some product, some other complaint that I just had received on my account, that I thought I had received some restricted product, whatever for product that had been regated, but actually it was not the case because those complaints were old. I thought it was regarding that. I was pissed off and I saw that it was because of the Informed Consumer Act once again. So, if you remember in my previous videos, I think, and I'm not sure I actually shared that on video, but I said that, and I don't know if I said it as I said, I'm going to explain what happened. I had a few things to verify on my Amazon account when that thing popped up. And I was one of the last guy who had the banner removed from their account. Because there was a lot, if you do not know what happened, basically there was a new law coming into effect. And I think it was starting in June something, that made it so, online sellers had to verify all the information because customers need to be informed, I guess, I don't know. This is the name of the act, so I guess so it works, all right? Because of that, you had to re-verify a lot of things on your Amazon account. 5 things, the business name, the business owner name, the phone number, the address, and the bank account, all right? Most of those things were verified on my account. They were verified pretty fast. At least at the beginning, nothing was verified. Then my name got verified. The phone number, I verified it myself. The address, originally, I verified it myself. And I received the code, but it was verified without me having to input the code. There was the bank account got verified super fast. Super fast. They took a long time, Amazon is. And the last thing, I don't remember what it is, got verified as well. So, I thought everything was verified, but I received a code in the mail actually. Back when I was still in the US, you know that right now I'm traveling, I'm in Europe. And thank God that I took my precautions because I actually contacted seller support and asked them like, what's up? Because I received a code, but I have nowhere to input this code. There's nothing I can do, so what should I do? I have this code, here's the code. Is there somewhere I need to input it? Because I do not have any place to input the code. And they said, no, it's probably an error. That's fine, do not just get rid of the thing. Your account is verified and just forget about it. I'm just paraphrasing, but you understand what I mean. So, I started, the banner was still on my account for a little while and then it disappeared, right? So it was probably the case for you as well if you had all this thing with the Informed Consumer Act. I know that for a lot of guys, the banner disappeared super fast, but for my account, it stayed for a little while. After that, everything disappeared, everything was okay. Until yesterday, as I said. And this is why you should never believe what Amazon says. You should never believe that everything is right when Amazon tells you that everything is right. Because if I had gotten rid of this specific letter that Amazon sent me with the code, I would be in deep shit because I would have no way to verify the code that I received. All right? I could have probably requested a new one, and I don't know if it would have worked, but thank God I got it written down somewhere and I was able to input it and my account was verified super fast. But if I had listened to what they said, I would be in deep shit because I would have no way to verify my address right now, and my account could have been suspended for 1 week. Who knows? 10 days, like for the time that I had to wait to receive this code. So 10 days of income, like it's a lot of money, of course. And like, you know, you cannot afford it. And this is why in previous videos I said, be ready if anything happens to your account to have a plan B. At least have a plan B and know what you're gonna do if you do not have a second account yet. But like, be ready, because Amazon is on some bullshit. And the truth is that the 10 days would have probably been a little bit longer for me, because as I said, I'm not in the US. So it's a little bit harder for me right now to verify my address, all right? Thank God. Everything, like my address is set up somewhere where they could have sent me the picture of the code, but like still, like it will still have been some logistics to be able to, you know, verify this and get the account up and running. So yeah, it looks like be ready, because if you did not have to verify anything and enter the codes, you may have to do it. So I hope you still have your thing. All the documents Amazon sent you, always keep a version of it, save it somewhere so you can refer to it back in the future. And yeah, so be ready to verify some more stuff if you did not have to do it, but you'll be all right. You just have to verify. It does not look like there's any more bugs on that specific process on Amazon, so you should be all right. But yeah, just always save all your documents, do all that stuff, because you know Amazon is always on some bullshit, and never trust Amazon when they say something. Always be ready. All right, always be ready, because seller support is lying. Amazon themselves are lying. They always change their mind. So you need to be ready whatever happens. All right. So I hope this video was helpful. Watch these other videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. If you want to follow me on my journey as an Amazon seller, and on YouTube, I guess. So yeah, look at these videos, subscribe, like this video, leave comments. Let me know in the comments if you had to deal with that bullshit as well. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, because I release a new video every day. Thank you for watching.